How to use Quillbot Paraphraser. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for quillbot.com. Now, paste your text into the input box on the Quillbot Paraphraser interface, or you can also type directly into the text box. Now, choose a mode. Select a paraphrasing mode based on your goal. You can choose from options such as standard, fluency, formal, creative, shorten, or expand. Now, adjust the synonym slider. Use the synonym slider to control the degree of the changes. Moving it higher will create more significant rewrites, and lower settings retain the original structure closely. Finally, review the rewritten text in the output box and compare it with the original using the side-by-side view, and, if needed, make manual edits to customize the output. You can also copy the text for further use in your documents or projects. So, this is how you can use Quillbot Paraphraser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.